How to clean your coffee maker. After several months of use, the descaling system no longer works and something more thorough is needed. Let's see how to perform a more thorough cleaning. Start by removing the external plastic parts and spraying them with degreaser. Let it sit for a few seconds and, after a good brushing, rinse with plenty of water. Let the machine self-clean and then reassemble everything. Make a test coffee to check that everything is in order.